Hello, Colts, and welcome to the last competition day for College Week. We will still be doing an activity tomorrow during TA for Friday, but today is the last day to earn points because tomorrow we will be delivering donuts to our winners during TA time. And you guys can tune into Facebook Live tomorrow to watch as we take the donuts around to who wins. So here we go, the last competition day. Um, and even if you're out, remember you can still go for overall points. And also, it's good to just learn this information and learn about the different things that are happening for the week. So, again, just a quick reminder about that we will have two winners tomorrow. And lunchtime is a great way to earn more points. So if you're wondering how to kind of up the ante, lunchtime is a great time to do that. Thanks to everyone who came to the college carnival last night. It was a big hit and it wouldn't be awesome without all of you guys there. So thanks for coming. Today's trivia is Utah State, USU, has an average class size of 20 to 29 students. And Salt Lake Community College has the largest campus in Utah. They have 10 different campuses. So today is all about learning how to pay for college. The activity or assignment for today is completing the financial aid worksheet, which you'll want to probably fill this in as you go along and complete the video or the Google Slides so you can answer the information as you review the information today. So each question you answer is actually going to be worth 10 points. That was a change that we need to update on this. And like I said, you'll probably just want to kind of follow along while we do the video here so you can answer the questions while we go through it. So the first thing is that people wonder is, how do I even pay for college? Well, one of the first things you want to do is fill out what's called a FAFSA. The FAFSA is a free application for federal student aid. And what it does is it allows you to get federal grant money from the government to help pay for college. In fact, it's the only way that you can receive any type of federal funding. And there's all sorts of ways that they can give this to you, but that is the only way to get this free money from the government so that you can go to school. It's pretty cool. They want to help you pay for college. It also will help students receive, student loans or maybe some different work study options. So there may be money you can receive, but it would be money you'd have to pay back and would not be free money. It's all done online and it's all confidential. And this is something that you would do your senior year of high school after January 1st. And you do have to kind of do it with your parent or guardians as well. The other ways to pay, so that's one of the first things you want to do, but you also want to start saving money, and now is the time to start saving for that. In fact, it's kind of the best guarantee that you have that. So anything you can do to start saving is a good way to do it. You can also get what's called a grant. A grant is, like I said, free money from the government. This is money you do not have to pay back. So it's just a gift given to you. It's typically based on need, is what they call that. Another way to get money, which is also free, is through what are called scholarships. And scholarships can be based on your academic merit, talent, service, anything, even things like being left-handed or baking the best apple pie. There's all sorts of crazy scholarships out there. So there are people that want to give you money to go to school, and this is money, again, that's free to you that you do not have to pay back. With scholarships, you want to just apply, apply, apply. Don't ever count yourself out. Go for everything because you never know what you might get, and every little bit does help. There are also things called work study programs. So a work study basically means that they will help pay for your college, but they want you to work some sort of part-time job while you're in school. So maybe you work at the bookstore, or maybe you work as a tutor, or something like that. But they kind of work hand in hand with giving you money, and then also having you work while you're doing that. You can always get student loans, and this can also be done through FAFSA, where you can apply for loans. A loan is money that you are given, but you do have to repay this money with interest after you graduate. And so it is money you can get to go to college, but just remember that's money that will have to be paid back. And then you can do a work while you study. So what we mean by this is that you can do a job, you can do a part-time job or a full-time job, but you can do some sort of work where you're still earning money and paying for school as you go. And you can rearrange your class schedules to accommodate that too. So maybe you take all your classes in the afternoon so you can work a job in the morning, or you flip it around. Your schedules kind of are a little bit different when you're in college, and it's not like you are necessarily in school from 8 to 3 every day. You can kind of work around that and work around a job if that's something you want to do. Another way to help pay is through the military. So the military will pay for your college while you're serving in the active military, through a program that they call tuition assistance. And they will even continue to pay for your schooling once you get out with this post 9/11 GI Bill. So that's another option as well. And if you want to go into the Google Slides and look into this a little bit more, there are a couple really helpful websites that we've listed here that you can explore to get more information about how that looks, if that's the route that you want to take. So lots of different ways to pay for college. Basically, don't count yourself out, because there is probably an option for you among one of those things. So hopefully that helped you guys get your worksheet finished. You may need to do a little research on your school to get some specific answers, but that is the assignment you're going to work on today. Don't forget to add up the number of people in your class who are wearing college shirts or your college colors. And you can always go back to the Google Slides, which are posted in the Google Classroom, to review any of the information if you missed it. Again, you may need to look at your own college website for a couple more answers as well. Don't forget to fill out the financial aid worksheet and then submit it when you're done. It is due by the end of TA today, so you have the TA time to work on it today. And make sure you hit up the lunchtime activities again to get more points. This is another really, really great, fun way to earn points for your class. You guys have been awesome, and good luck to the two teams who are in the final today. We'll see you guys tomorrow and unveil the winners and deliver donuts. You guys are awesome. Thanks. Bye.